Cracking device is the equipment that crack and re-reduce the waste oil and waste efficiently to make fuel. Vessels that use lots of less refined cheap oil makes about 1% of wasted oil. Until now, the wasted oil has been incinerated at the vessel, which causes the atmospheric marine pollution. Cracking device recycle up to 0.7 ton of waste oil. 70% of 1 ton of daily sludge per 10,000 TEU container vessel, so the investment cost can be valued within 542 days. Cracking device is consist with a liquid-solid waste supply unit, body, and gas, diesel, heavy oil transfer line that is connected to the distill pipe, and the body is consisted with the heating furnace and the cracking furnace. The air that is heated by the heating burner, which uses the fuel supplied the diesel supply line, postpones the emission time of heated air, as follow the guide plate that derives the rotation translation in spiral trace, so to heats the cracking furnace efficiently. Also, it preheats the solid, liquid waste that flows before the heat emits at the chimney of furnace end, so to increase the heat efficiency. Vacuum pump makes the vacuous environment inside the cracking room, so to make the decomposition and evaporation of waste easy. Then, the emitted air is exhausted to the air and condition of the harmful materials eliminated through the filter. The supply pump supplies the liquid waste, the bottom part of cracking room, through the wasted oil pipe. Then, the floating valve will be opened to evaporate the wasted oil to the cracking room through multiple sprinklers, and the composition evaporation occurs. Then, in order to help the evaporation in the cracking room, the rotating agitator inside maximizes decomposition evaporation effect. Once the inside temperature reaches at 100 degrees due to the pyrolysis, the water in wasted oil will be evaporated and emitted through the vapor outlet of distill pipe that is connected to the top cracking furnace. Then, the rush prevention plate of double blocking structure at the initial of the distill pipe avoids the discharging of liquid and solid type of waste. Once the temperature reaches at 150 degrees, the gas of the wasted oil evaporates, emits to the top outlet of distill pipe, then will be liquefied through the gas cooler, so can be recycled as fuel of heat burner. Once the temperature reaches at 200 degrees, the diesel of wasted oil will be collected in the diesel collector in the distill pipe and will be sent to the separate collection tank using the transfer pump. Once the temperature reaches at 350 degrees, the heavy oil of wasted oil will be collected in the heavy oil collector in the distill pipe and will be sent to the separate collection tank using the transfer pump. Solid waste that's applied to the insert hopper will be cut into small pieces by the transfer screw and the cutter, so can be treated without the pre-treatment work. The sludge that left the sediment after the operation will be discharged through the sludge discharging valve at the bottom of the body. Cracking device is an efficient equipment that makes the wasted oil that is incinerated and wasted into fuel.